Sky and candy cloud.
Hey divas, so in today's video I'm here to share with you guys this unit that I am rocking right now. So if you guys are interested, then definitely keep on watching. Okay divas, so now that you guys have gotten all the details and the specs on this hair, I am here to tell you guys how I feel about it, so let's just jump right in. Okay divas, so first of all I do want to apologize. I know usually when I show you guys the units, like nothing is done to them. I did cut the lace off because when we started like this whole like pandemic thing, I was just in a bad mood. I had cut the lace off. I filmed everything and then I cut the lace off, and then I was just in a bad mood. So I was like, I don't want to film it. So that's why the lace was cut off, because, you know, I just want you guys to know, like, I didn't do anything to it besides what you guys seen today in the video, besides cutting off the lace. So anyways, let's go ahead and get right into it. So this is an older unit by Outre. So this is their 13x6 perfect hairline, and this is in Sade 32, and I have her in the color number 1B. So I really do like this unit. I was supposed to try her out a long time ago, but I really do like her. I really love her length. She is very long on me. You guys know I'm a shorty, and if you don't know, like, girl, I'm only 5'2", so I'm really short. So this hair does fall pretty long on me, but the density is not like overwhelming or anything, so I do like that. I also like that this hair has minimal shedding and tangling. Like, that is amazing, because usually, especially with silkier textures, like, that does not happen. So I can really appreciate the fact that it has minimal shedding and tangling. And I really do like the parting area. Now I did go in and pluck it like just a little bit. I did lazy plucking, like I didn't do detail plucking, but I did go in and pluck it just a little bit in the front area, just so that it could look a little bit better when I did the little swoop hairs on the side, because I knew I wanted to do a middle part. So yeah, I feel like it does need a little bit of plucking, but I'm not going to hold Outre to that, because this is a older unit, and I have tried their newer perfect hairline units, and they definitely have improved. So I'm not gonna hold that against them. This is just a older unit, but while this is an older unit, it is still very nice. I absolutely love the hair texture. Now the luster is pretty high on this. It's not just my light giving that off, but honestly I really do love the luster on it, because it looks like a healthy luster, although it is like high to me it just looks like some really healthy black hair, and I just really love that. Like, this looks like frontal and bundles on a cap, and you dyed it jet black, and I am here for that. I also really love the light layering they have going on, but it is still long. It's not like super layered, but I do like that. I love long layers. I feel like they just correlate together well and just make you look like you have a well put together hairstyle. So as far as this being big head friendly, I definitely feel like it's an average cap, but it is still big head friendly. I do fall on the bigger head side of the spectrum. However, if you do have a smaller head, there's plenty of security with this wig. It does come with an elastic band as well as adjustable straps, so you'll have plenty of security if you do have a smaller head. But overall, I do really like this unit. I feel like this is super cute, and I feel like it is also beginner friendly. Like, because you don't have to go in and like pluck it a little bit like I did, because as you guys can see, I barely plucked it anyways. But I feel like this is super beginner friendly. It won't be too overwhelming. The lace is not starky white. All I did was go in and add some powder so it can match my chocolatey skin. But overall, I feel like this unit is definitely a winner. So if you guys are interested, I will have a link down in the description box below, so be sure to go ahead and check that out. But yeah, divas, thank you guys so much for watching. I greatly appreciate it. If you fabulous girls did enjoy this video and found it very helpful and easy to follow, then definitely go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Be sure to leave me a comment down below. I would love to hear from you fabulous girls and know what you guys are thinking. And be sure to go ahead and subscribe if you haven't done so already, and also hit that notification bell, girl. I do upload quite often, and you definitely do not want to miss any of my videos. But yeah, divas, thank you guys so much for watching. I greatly appreciate it, and I'll see you gorgeous girls in my next video. Bye.